Hello friends, I have Kogan Company TV. In this TV problem is stuck on logo and nothing happen. If you want to fix this problem, so kindly text me on WhatsApp with your TV problem video and model number. I will guide you how to install software and how to fix this stuck on logo problem in your TV. Okay. You can see this only logo showing and nothing happening. Okay, so this is a software problem. If you want to original software of this TV, so kindly contact me. This is a TV model number and I have some other also TV model number. This is 32 inches, also 42 inches, 50 inches, 65 inches. I have all type of software available. This all software are USB software. You can easy to install software in your TV. If you want any type of software, I have all softwares available. You can see this is a motherboard. Okay, we also called PCB. Okay, it's a normal problem like hanging on logo, freezing on logo, restarting TV. It's not a big issue. You can fix it at home. Okay, this is 40 inches TV. If you want any this kind of TV software this is my WhatsApp number. Also I'm provided number in my description. You can contact me. Will provide you software and also instructions. I will guide you step by step how to install this software and everything. Okay, thank you friends.